This is my entry in the 2025 Ranger CNC Christmas Challenge. But of course, you knew that. Okay, so the first thing I did was I got some clip art of Santa. And then I needed to add an arrow to it for the sign. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did to make that happen. Through the magic of video editing, I will show you how I did that. So I proceeded to adjust the drawing and to put it on layers so I can cut it out and assemble it then later. So what you're really seeing here is the work that I did to produce the outcome of the sign, and of course sped up many times so that you can kind of see everything that went into it. From the detail of the arrow and the lights, the holes for the lights, and everything else that went into cutting it and designing it. I find it very enjoyable to design and to draw and to figure out how I'm going to put the item together that I'm going to be doing. I use a lot of layers to put stuff on and move stuff around and look at it and compare it and move it, see if it'll fit, and then think of something else and then do something else and then check something. It really is a lot of fun, and I really enjoy doing it. So now that I had the design worked up, the artwork, the layers, the things that I was going to glue on top of everything else, it was off to the printer, the laser printer, to cut it out. But before that, let's do a little painting. I painted the individual parts, black, red, the letters in white, the beard in white, and a little bit of the skin tone of his face. And this is what it looks like. I mocked up the lights with LEDs on an Arduino to see what the actual arrow lights would look like. Since my lights were clear, I went ahead and made some lenses so that I could diffuse the light. It actually came out pretty good. I also toyed with doing it in green and in red, and they too also looked pretty good. And it's just done in plain old PLA. Time to move on from the breadboard, so I used some protoboards to wire everything up. I used 10 1/8" pieces of wood for the walls. To thicken it up, you can see in the background the wiring, the Arduino, and the lights. Transferring the letters over to the arrow was very satisfying. I really enjoy lettering. I'll normally engrave a little bit in the spot where the letters are going to go, and I can just place the letters down on it and not have to align it or do anything like that. I can't say my soldering was the best on this one. In fact, I had a bit of a cold solder joint at one time, but I got everything lined out and everything started working the way it was supposed to. I can certainly say that it's a rat's nest in there, but it works. This was one of my more favorite parts because it allowed me to see how everything was coming together, and I was able to actually enjoy this a lot. It allowed me to see the hours of work that I had put in come together. Once everything was flashing like I wanted it to, and everything was glued together and stuff, I was a happy camper. I hope this really works. Oh, look! There's Santa! Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas.